always have a desire for a creative and design-based profession. I love arts, I love beautiful things, and I love beautifying things, and I'm very passionate about outdoor and nature environment, because to me, nature is something that can enhance my mood and make my life more manageable. I want to work in a professional industry, a job that enables me to create a beautiful, meaningful and inspirational settings that people may enjoy for a lifetime, perhaps even centuries. I think when I was 5 years old, my parents started to send me to art class. That's where I know that I have a strong passion in arts, in designing, in creating some things. I always want to create a space where people can come and enjoy the space together with the family, and at the same time the place is very vibrant, have the fun and have a certain concepts in the landscape design. So as you can see that this project, we use repetitions as landscape design principle, which we use a repeated use of elements or features to create patterns or a sequence in the landscape designs, where these repetitions of this line, color, form and texture creates freedom in the landscape design and give a sense of unity. So for our Desa Vista Sentul project, we chose origami scape as our landscape design concept. You can see that the origami metaphor has been translated and incorporated into our landscape design elements. For instance, the feature pavilions, the planter boxes, the swimming pool area, children playground and even the EPDM finishes. So this bold and vibrant origami pavilion serves as a focal point at the swimming pool area, with a contemporary design of a triangle-shaped surface that simulates the origami small model's full angle. You can see that the children playground resembles a sheet of art, paper folded. Each piece of equipment on the vibrantly colored origami structure brings out different play elements in the playground area. Okay, 15 years back, I went to visit Paris. I climbed up to the second level of the Eiffel Tower and saw a very huge, substantial park called Champ de Mars Park, which offers the superb views from the tower. No doubt, it is one of the largest green spaces in the Paris city, with a very expansive lawns that provide the perfect venue for the picnic and offer a great placemaking in the city. And I think it is nice to redesign with a very nice pavement at the avenues on the left and right side of the avenue, because I can see that after the heavy rain, there are water ponding at the certain spots of the avenue due to the ground settlements. I think it would be nice if we have more landscape elements that represents French. For instance, like we have pavilions, pergola, more hard landscape elements, more structure, so that you can see the character is stronger. I always seek inspirations to design from traveling. I'll make sure to visit some of the well-known architects or landscape architects' masterpieces if I travel, which will get a different new ideas to design. I also love to go to conferences to update myself with the latest trends, new terminologies and technologies for a fresh perspective, creative kickstart and networking. So for music, Pachelbel, Canon Indie will always be my favorite classical music. You know that working in this industry sometimes can be very stressful with the work hectic. I think by listening this music, it is very soothing, has a calming effect, and it is very beautiful. I always believe as a woman, if you want to be well known in this field, you need to put in more effort, you need to work harder, and you need to create an impact. So I also love to listen to Unstoppable by Sia, because the song is about female empowerment. It radiates power and confidence. It's about resilience, having the courage to keep on going despite any challenges the work throws you away. I think you need to cultivate a deep passion of landscape architecture. You have to never stop learning, you have to stay curious, always want to learn, develop your creativity, critical thinking, communication skills, technical skills, construction methods and project management skills. And find your mentors, find someone that inspired you to become a better person from what you have today. And go to a lot of conferences or exhibitions to update yourself with the latest trends and seek inspiration from the world around you by going traveling. This is Landscape Architect Juita and Hashim, and this is Architects in Focus.